Thought experiments are powerful tools in philosophy and science that push the boundaries of our understanding of reality. By posing hypothetical scenarios, these experiments force us to confront the limits of our knowledge, challenge our assumptions, and consider alternative perspectives. Some thought experiments are designed to explore the nature of consciousness, reality, and existence, while others focus on ethics, knowledge, or the laws of physics. Here are 10 thought experiments that challenge reality in profound ways. 1. The Ship of Theus. René Descartes proposed the idea of an evil demon to explore skepticism about the external world. According to this thought experiment, a malevolent demon could deceive us into believing that our senses are giving us accurate information when, in reality, everything around us could be an illusion. This challenges our understanding of reality, pushing us to question whether we can ever truly know the world outside our minds. 2. Descartes' evil demon. René Descartes proposed the idea of an evil demon to explore skepticism about the external world. According to this thought experiment, a malevolent demon could deceive us into believing that our senses are giving us accurate information when, in reality, everything around us could be an illusion. This challenges our understanding of reality, pushing us to question whether we can ever truly know the world outside our minds. 3. The brain-in-a-vat. The brain-in-a-vat thought experiment is similar to Descartes' evil demon but focuses more on the possibility of artificial reality. In this scenario, a brain is removed from its body and placed in a vat of nutrients, with its neurons being stimulated by a computer to create the illusion of a reality. This thought experiment raises questions about the nature of perception, consciousness, and whether we can trust our sensory experiences. 4. Schrödinger's cat. Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment from quantum mechanics that illustrates the strange nature of quantum superposition. In the scenario, a cat is placed inside a sealed box with a radioactive atom that has a 50% chance of decaying. If the atom decays, it triggers the release of poison, killing the cat. Until the box is opened and the cat is observed, the cat is considered both alive and dead simultaneously. This paradox challenges our understanding of observation, reality, and the role of the observer in quantum mechanics. 5. The Trolley Problem. The Trolley Problem is an ethical thought experiment that explores moral decision-making. In the scenario, a runaway trolley is headed toward 5 people tied to a track. You can divert the trolley to another track, but this will kill one person. The dilemma challenges our sense of utilitarianism, the greatest good for the greatest number, versus deontological ethics, the morality of actions themselves. It forces us to confront difficult choices about sacrifice and moral responsibility. 6. The simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis suggests that our reality might be an artificial simulation created by an advanced civilization. If we are living in a simulation, how can we ever know what's real? This thought experiment challenges our fundamental understanding of existence and reality, raising questions about the nature of consciousness, free will, and the possibility of artificial worlds. 7. The Twin Earth thought experiment. Philosopher Hilary Putnam's Twin Earth thought experiment explores the nature of meaning and reference. The scenario imagines a planet identical to Earth in every way except for one key difference. Instead of water, the inhabitants of Twin Earth drink a substance called XYZ, which is chemically similar to water but is not H2O. The thought experiment challenges our understanding of meaning, showing that meaning is not just about what words refer to in the external world but also about the context in which those words are used. 8. The Last Man on Earth. This thought experiment challenges our understanding of human nature and society. In the scenario, you are the last person left on Earth. With no one else around, you no longer need to adhere to social norms, laws, or morals. Would you still behave in a way that reflects your previous beliefs? This thought experiment asks whether human ethics are intrinsic or are shaped by societal structures. 9. The Problem of Other Minds. The Problem of Other Minds explores the difficulty of knowing whether other minds exist. How can we know that other people have consciousness and subjective experiences like we do? This thought experiment challenges our understanding of other beings' inner lives, raising questions about the nature of consciousness, perception, and the mind-body problem. 10. Laplace's Demon. Laplace's Demon is a thought experiment that imagines a super-intelligent being with perfect knowledge of all the forces, positions, and velocities of all particles in the universe. With this knowledge, the demon could predict the future and retrodict the past. This scenario challenges the concept of free will and determinism, raising questions about whether the universe is fully deterministic or if there is room for randomness and choice. These thought experiments are not just exercises in abstract reasoning. They force us to reconsider what we know about the world, the mind, and our place in the universe. Whether questioning the nature of reality, the morality of actions, or the existence of other minds, these challenges push us to think beyond the limits of conventional understanding. They remind us that reality, as we experience it, may be far more complex and enigmatic than we could ever fully grasp.